सबसे सुंदर है।
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें सिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा।
ਤਾਂ ਭਾਰਤ ਦਾ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਹਾੜਾ ਹਰ ਉਸ ਮੁਲਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਵਸੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕੌਂਸਲੇਟ ਜਨਰਲ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਆਯੋਜਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਹਾੜੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਰਪਿਤ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸੀਗਾ। 79ਵਾਂ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਹਾੜਾ ਕੌਂਸਲੇਟ ਜਨਰਲ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਡੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਈ ਖਾਸ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤਾਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਿਰਕਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ। ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰੀ ਝੰਡਾ ਤਿਰੰਗਾ ਫਹਿਰਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ, ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰੀ ਗਾਣ ਗਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ। ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਹਾੜੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਚਰਚਾਵਾਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ। ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਾ ਭਾਸ਼ਣ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮਿਲੀ, ਕੀ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਕਰਨੇ ਪਏ, ਉਸ ਬਾਬਤ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ। ਤਾਂ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਤਾਂ ਤਿਰੰਗੇ ਝੰਡੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਫਹਿਰਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਈਏ ਕਿ 79ਵਾਂ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਵਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਨਾ ਕੇ ਹਟਿਆ ਬੀਤੇ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ, ਤਾਂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ। ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੌਂਸਲੇਟ ਜਨਰਲ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਆਯੋਜਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ। ਝੰਡਾ ਫਹਿਰਾ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਰਸਮ ਅਦਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮਿਠਾਈ ਵੰਡੀ ਗਈ। ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ। ਤਾਂ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਈਏ ਕਿ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਡੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਭਾਈਚਾਰਾ ਵਸਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਉਹ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ, ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਉਹ ਦਿਵਸ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਹਾੜਾ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼, ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕੁਝ ਪਸੀਨੇ ਸਹਿਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਮਿਲੀ ਸੀ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਹਾੜਾ ਵੀ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਰਤੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਧੂਮਧਾਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ। ਇਸ ਬਾਬਤ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਰਿਹਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲਿਆ। ਭਾਈਚਾਰਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਪੁੱਜਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਵਸ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਵਧਾਈ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਗਈ। ਇਸ ਬਾਬਤ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਿਹਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦੇ।
Freedom is never dear at any price. It's the breath of life. Today we are standing at Council General of India Toronto's Independence Day celebration, where community has gathered. People are talking about the Independence Day, their celebrations when they were in India, when they were in Canada. Let's talk with them and know more about it.
First of all, we are here to pay our gratitude to our freedom fighter who give their life for the country, and due to that only we are enjoying this freedom today, and our nation is in our democracy. And also I have gratitude for the family who lost their life in the partition, and that's why I come every year over here to celebrate, to give my respect, to pay my gratitude to the freedom fighter who did their life for our nation.
Well, I'm Rear Admiral Rajendra Singh, retired from the Indian Navy in 2009 and settled in Canada since 2012. It's a day full of pride, and that is what brings us all together here to celebrate India's 79th Independence Day. So wishing all Indians, whether in India or abroad, and all Indo-Canadians a very happy Independence Day. और इस 78 years में India has reached great heights. It hasn't been easy, It is nearly after 200 years of struggle from the British that we attained the independence. So today's youth especially has to understand what is the meaning of this freedom and how do we preserve and how can they contribute to the nation building. That is, I would say, a small message for youngsters. Apart from that, there is so much to celebrate as an Indian, even though I am a Canadian today, but I am proud to have my roots in India, having born in India.
Myself Inderjeet Singh Lotte from Indian Air Force. A happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Sir, tell us more about yourself, from where you have done the army stuff and how you feel celebrating Independence Day here in Canada.
Very good, very good. I retired from Indian Air Force in 1991 as a sergeant. Now I am here on PR in Toronto.
I'm Colonel J.S. Sohi. I was in the Indian Army.
Yes, sir.
It is a matter of pride to celebrate the 79th Independence Day. That too in Canada with the Consulate General of India. So I congratulate to all the Indians settled over here and also back in India for this Independence Day.
When we talk about Independence Day, sir, what's your memories of Independence Day? We used to celebrate it here also and in India also. Tell us your memories of it.
You know that earlier the British, they were ruling the country. It is a result of struggle the Indians had put all together, and of course they have to sacrifice so many personalities to get the independence. It is not a overnight. It is the fruit, whatever we are enjoying today, it is the result of those who sacrificed their yesterday for the today.
You think that these type of events help bringing the community together here in Canada? You think that these type of events help bringing the community together here in Canada?
We are celebrating it, and it is a matter of pride for all of us to be Indian, and that to add to it that I am the veteran. I served in the defense services over there.
Good, proud for us, sitting outside India, and we are celebrating. Very proud for us.
Tell us more about yourself regarding how you have been part of India. You are from Navy, right?
I'm from Indian Navy, yes.
Indian Navy. So tell us your experience being a part of Indian Independence Day and everything, celebrating here in Canada. How you feel about it, sir?
That's what I told you, that it is very proud for us. We are celebrating our Independence Day in outside India.
When we celebrate, sir, these type of events outside Canada, how much important it is to bring the community together here in Canada?
It is very, 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 very important that the people should come together and celebrate this.
Our audience who are watching you right now, any message for them on Independence Day?
I will say only Happy Independence Day to everyone.
I'm really proud to be here today to celebrate Independence Day of India, my country, with my brothers and sisters. I'm really proud of it, and as a veteran, I'm here because I happen to be in Canada here these days. So I'm really very, very, very great that I'm here in the company of all my countrymen.
I have been living in Canada for now 23 years. I left India 35 years ago. I have never missed 15th August and 26th January ever in any country that I lived in. When I moved to Canada, Canada was my 10th country. So I always enjoy, this is the spirit that we come with. It is the excitement that wakes us up at the 5 o'clock in the morning, living outskirts of Toronto, drive all the way here and be part of the community which is celebrating that. My way of telling right now with India is, India has grown since independence till today. We are the 4th largest economy, everybody talks about it. I give you one line to explain how it feels. If you know India is the heart of the world, if you see India's beating heart, if you can hear it, you should know the world is safe a place to live in because India is there. That's how India makes the world feel to be a safer place because India is the message and the symbol of giving peace to the world. That's what I feel.
On behalf of Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce, ICCC, I'm Vice Chair, Advisory Board right now, the past President. Ajay brother is with me today. He's also the past Vice President of Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce. We come every year here to celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day every year, and we are proud Indo-Canadians.
That's so true.
We wish each and every Indians in India, Indians overseas, Indo-Canadians in Canada, 79th Independence Day happy, and to all media personals, thank you so much carrying the message to the world at large that India is the best. East or West, India is the best. And congratulations to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and his team for amazing job to bring economy to the top. And I wish Indo-Canadian relations will be great in trade and commerce. Let us work together. Let us make the strong economy. Let us put harmony, peace throughout the world. Thank you.
First of all, happy 79th Independence Day to my dear fellow Indians and the Indian community and the friends of India in Canada. This is a proud day for us to celebrate India's 79th Independence Day. Also a moment to reckon India's strides into various aspects of growth, development and prosperity. This is a proud day for us, and today we had more than 400 community members joining us. This event has always been an open for all event, and we are extremely elated to see year on year, winter or summer, people joining us on this important day. So I feel indebted to the Indian community for their contribution, and we remain connected with all of them.
बहुत खुशियों की अनुभूति हो रही है। वतन से कोसों मील दूर होने के बावजूद हम अपने देश के स्वतंत्रता पर्व को यहाँ मना रहे हैं और मैं इसका हिस्सेदार बना हूँ। इस बात की मुझे बहुत खुशी है। हमारे पूर्वजों ने एक संघर्ष करके जिस आज़ादी को पाई थी, हम आज उसका फल चख रहे हैं। ये हमारे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है। हमारे पूर्वजों ने हमारे देश के लिए क्या किया वो तो एक इतिहास है, लेकिन हम अपने देश की प्रगति के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं ये हमें सोचना है। दिन ब दिन हमारा देश आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है और विश्व में एक ताकत बन के उभर रही है। हम उसकी शुभेच्छाएं अता करते हैं। हम ये चाहते हैं कि कोसों मील दूर होते हुए भी हम अपने मुल्क की इस खुशियों में सहभागी बने। मैं अपने आप को बहुत भाग्यशाली मानता हूँ और मैं हमारे देशवासियों को इस पर्व की शुभेच्छाएं बांटता हूँ और मुझे विश्वास है कि हमारा मुल्क एक न एक दिन विश्व में विश्व गुरु बन के रहेगा।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है 79th इंडिपेंडेंस डे के लिए, और मैं हर साल यहाँ आता ही हूँ। 15 अगस्त को और 26 जनवरी को भी अगर यहाँ होता हूँ तो सुबह 7 बजे इधर आ जाता हूँ। और मैं देशभक्त का है बहुत चाहता हूँ। मैंने 1972 से आज तक कभी भी इंडिपेंडेंस डे मिस नहीं किया है, कहीं इंडिया में हो कहीं यहाँ पे हो। सो ये सब भारतवासियों के लिए एक बड़ा गर्व का दिन है। और यहाँ टोरंटो में भी ये इंडियन कॉन्सुलेट जनरल हर साल बहुत अच्छी तरह से निभाते हैं और देश इतना प्रगति कर रहा है। अब 79 साल हो गए हैं। सो सब देशवासी को और टोरंटो वासियों को 79th इंडिपेंडेंस डे की खूब खूब शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू, नमस्कार। मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा तुम्हें भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना।
I would say coming here every time when we come for your Republic Day and Independence Day, and we see our Indian brothers and sisters attending. This was phenomenal attendance here today. So I would say, you can be in any part of the world, but you cannot take India out of our heart. So this is where I see lots of
Indian diaspora members here attending today, and was very happy to be here.
It's really good. I think it feels even more patriotic, like when we are here outside the soil of India. And I recently relocated from the US to Toronto, so I'm really looking forward to a lot more newer experiences here. And I'm so proud to be Indian. It was always visiting Red Fort, watching the Prime Minister of India hosting the flag with colleagues and friends, and like getting involved with cultural activities, dances, folks, and celebrating the diversity in India of every culture. And to even add on, it's like to embrace the spirit of being Indian, so that every kid, like, you know, even newborns or the growing up kids should feel the spirit of India, even if they're outside the soil of India. So my performance is about Mata Kali, and it also incorporates Shiva.
Happy Independence Day to everybody first, and we are grateful for the Indian Consulate for the opportunity, for my daughter Vedika Chandra.
Thank you so much.
Being a Punjabi from the Punjab, and she's performing on South Indian dance she's learned from the very beginning. It only speaks about, you know, how we have embodied diversity in the unity that we have still in Canada. This particular performance that she did is Kali Kotvam, which also gives respect to Lord Shiva at the beginning, and then it's a depiction of how powerful Goddess Kali is, and you know how she destroys the demons and the people and the devils, and then she gives a lot of blessings with grace. So this is what her performance was all about.
When we say about Independence Day, I'll ask you, when we say about Independence Day, celebrating here, especially for the young generation who are born here, how much important it carries here?
I find it very important. Being an Indo-Canadian child, I've grown up here and I was raised here, and I find that getting the influence of my culture and my heritage is really important.
And she's also the granddaughter of an Indian Army ex-veteran, Colonel V.K. Sharma, my father, so heavily influenced there. And she can say, you know, Bharat Mata ki jai.
Bharat Mata ki jai.
It just feels amazing to be here, you know, like all of the freedom fighters, everything we've gone through, 79 years of freedom after like almost 200 years, 300 years of struggle. It feels amazing to be here. Without them, this could have never been possible.
Independence Day, it's like when your country gets the freedom, and it just feels like amazing to be here, knowing that like what our grandparents went through, what our great-grandparents went through, and like how they fought for our freedom to be able to like be here today. And it's just a great thing when you like think of it and then see them all here. And it's just like a really proud thing when you get the independence.
I've seen Independence Day celebrations in India, and when I come here, I see the same, like community just bringing together and like performances and everything. So I think it is a great, great initiative, and it should be something that we all carry forward, you know, like generations to come.
भारत प्यारा देश हमारा, तन मन इस पर वारेंगे। भारत प्यारा देश हमारा, तन मन इस पर वारेंगे। गंगा जिसका पानी बरती, फूलों से नदी है धरती। गंगा जिसका पानी बरती,